So hi guys, today we are going to learn about card view component in material design. So card view is introduced from the Lollipop version, and one of the best thing card view shows to you is the elevation. Card view is considered as a very rich component in Android. So for categorization it shows different styles, and it is used for different categorizing elements or similar type of elements. Okay, so let's just go to the card view documentation. So this is Android card view documentation on developers.android.com. So what is card view? So card view is basically a frame layout with rounded corner background and shadow. Okay, so card views uses elevation property on Lollipop for shadows and falls back to a custom emulated shadow implementation on older platforms. Okay, so due to expensive nature of rounded corner clipping on platforms before Lollipop, card view does not clip its children that intersects with round corner. Instead, it adds padding to avoid such intersections. Okay, so what is intersection? That is not needed right now. Right now what I will show you is some properties of card views. Okay, so they have few properties of card view, which is card view, card background color, corner radius, card color radius, card elevation, card max elevation, card use compact padding, card prevent corner overlap, content padding left, top, right, bottom. These are the common attributes for card view, and we are going to use them one by one. So you will see how that card view is used. So for card view there are two things. One is you have to implement the dependency, which is card view, or else you can use material dependency, material design dependency, which is material. That also you can use to use card view. Okay, and so let's try to get a card view, and this is one of the sample. As you can see, some shadow is here given here, and some elevation, that means some Z index you can see. You have X and Y axis, Z axis also you can see here. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's go to Android Studio and let's try to draw one card view. So what I will do is, in our last project here, I will add one card view to the settings, but I will not add any card view to the product list. Okay, to setting I will add card view. Okay, and this text button I will write click me. Okay, now I will try to add card view here. Okay, so I will go to palette, and I have Google card view. We have card view here. So I will try to implement this card view. Okay, so I have drag and drop the card view, which is here, and into this card view I will add all the other elements which I want. So I will add everything into card view. So right now I will paste this card view as here. Okay, so card view is nothing but a frame layout, as we have seen, and gravity I will add to center. Gravity I will add as a center. Okay, so center card view is coming. Now I will add margin here. Margin will be 20 dp. Okay, and you can see some shadow to this card view, right? Let me add margin to 30 dp. Okay, you can see some shadow to the card view, right? So that shadow is not added, or that card view is not added here. Okay, but here we have added card view, so you can see that effect of card view. See that effect of card view. Okay, now let's go to the corner radius we have, set radius we have, and card background color we have. So let's set corner radius. Card corner radius, and I will add 60 dp here. So let's see how that effect comes. Okay, now you can see 60 dp for this card view, which is rounded. Okay, so 60 dp is like this. Now let's go and check another property, which is card background color. And this color, let's go to colors first, and let me copy one color, which is card bg color. I will create new property, card bg color, and I will make this color as okay, let's set this blue color within a lighter shade. So this is my card color, card bg color. Okay, now where I was in setting, I was there, and at the colors, card bg color. So as you can see, card bg color is set, and shadows are also set with round corner. So this is how you can use layouts for card view. See, this is how you can use layouts for card views. Okay, now where this card view can be used. So for example, if you have any listing of different you say different components, or list of students with their names, or list of products with their names, so for that list item you should use card view, because it provides you rich UI look for your application widgets. Okay, so for example, if you have one section where you are showing some information about the user, so that particular section, which is a separate section, that has to be put in card view. Okay, so this is the example of card view. So let's see one more example. If I have, let me show you card view. See this card view. Okay, so this example will show you what is card view. See this example where it has shown you a round circle. There are two things here. One is the card view, and second one is the card view with the image, but it does not have any shadow, it does not have any elevation. Okay, and this card view has a background color also it has a shadow, but this image, it does not have anything. Okay, so that image itself is a card view, but it is not shown with the elevation. Okay, now if you go to code, and if you try to set elevation, let me delete this card view background color, so you can see elevation clearly. See card elevation they have given. If I write 20 dp, let's see that shadow is changing. See, this 20 dp shadow is this much, 20 dp shadow is this much, and if I change it to 10 dp, it will decrease. Okay, it has decreased. Okay, so that is how you can change the angle of shadow also. But let's see if which properties we have. Okay, max elevation we have, prevent corner lap, use compact padding we have. Okay, so these are the main basic properties: elevation, card corner radius, and card background, which should be used with the which you can use with the card view. And with the card view, you can change the shape of any widget inside that, or you can accommodate that inside your card view. And this is how card view should be used. Okay, and I have given you example of card view also. This is the example of card view where listing of products or separate categorized products you can define into card view. Okay, and in our project, where you can use card view is you can use card view for settings items, or for products list product items. There you can use card view, or for example, we have created one dialog here. this entire dialog can come in card view, or this section itself can come in card view. Okay, so that is how your card view should be used. Okay, now I will show you what is tab layout here. So for the tab layout I will create another video. Let me close this video and create a new video for tab layout. So next video will be tab layout. So let's meet in the next video.